Welcome to this tutorial on how to verify your Venmo account. Verifying your account is an essential step to ensure the security and integrity of your transactions. In this guide, we will walk you through the process step by step. To start the verification process, you need to open the Venmo app and navigate to the Settings menu. This can be found by tapping the three lines in the top left corner of the screen. Once you are in the Settings menu, scroll down to the Account section and select Verify Account. You will then be prompted to provide your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number. This information is required to comply with federal regulations and to prevent identity theft. Enter your number carefully and make sure it is accurate. After entering your Social Security number, you will be asked to provide your birth date and address. This information is used to verify your identity and to ensure that you are eligible to use Venmo. Once you have entered all the required information, tap the Submit button. Venmo will then verify the information you provided and may ask for additional documentation to confirm your identity. This can include a driver's license or passport. If your account is successfully verified, you will receive a confirmation message and your account limits will be increased. This means you can send and receive more money and take advantage of all the features that Venmo has to offer. It is essential to note that verifying your account is a one-time process and is required to use Venmo. If you have any issues during the verification process, you can contact Venmo support for assistance. In conclusion, verifying your Venmo account is a straightforward process that requires some basic information. By following these steps, you can ensure that your account is secure and that you can take advantage of all the features that Venmo has to offer. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and to monitor your transactions regularly to prevent any potential issues.